Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to show the buy and the sell buttons on TradingView chart. So first of all, come here on tradingview.com and then launch any of the charts in front of you. Now over here, you will find the trade option on the top right hand corner of the screen. So when you connect any of the brokers over here, only then the sell and the buy options are going to be enabled. So you need to also click on the option of paper trading, then you can click on the option of connect, and this way you can basically do demo trading on TradingView. So now when you connect the paper trading account over here, you will see that the buy and the sell options are now available here on the top left hand corner of the screen. So you can also click on this drop down menu and you can directly click on the option of the trade, and from here you can select whether you want to buy or sell. So you can basically find the options over here. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.